Hello friends,
Hi friends, what's up?
welcome to our unprofessional coffee series.
Today we're going to try the Vietnamese egg coffee.
Okay, and the first step is to...
Pasteurize an egg.
Okay, let's do it.
So you're separating the white?
Yeah, we only need the yolk.
All right.
For the coffee part, we are going to use the Vietnamese press.
Yeah, click the link. Click the link in the description so you know how to use this thing. It's super easy. Creamy goodness. Wonderful. The taste of the egg is prominent. So if you drink like milkshakes with egg, that kind of stuff, it reminds me of that. It's really good. It's thick, rich, creamy, and flavorful.